Want to know how to play multiplayer mode in Snake.io? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Snake.io game, and now once you've done that, you should be welcomed with this screen right here. And once you have welcomed with this screen here, you should be seeing various options. Now, playing multiplayer is super simple. There is no direct multiplayer option that you can try in Snake.io, but you can just simply play multiplayer by going to ranked mode. So for that, on the bottom right side, you should be seeing play, and right above play, you should be seeing game modes that is ranked and unranked. So you can just simply select ranked right here, and once that is on, you can just simply select play, and then your game should start up. And here you should be seeing joining a room or connecting to a server, and now there you go, you are automatically connected to a server. Now you can play multiplayer just like this, and that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you play multiplayer in Snake.io easily. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.